Thank you so much, Ardell, for sending over these gorgeous Lazy Girl lashes. Now let's go ahead and try them out. They came with 4 sets and a cool little mirror, which I'm absolutely obsessed with. I've always wanted one of these. They have naked, wispies, and of course active, and I'm trying out the Fox Mink. This is what they look like. They're very easy to apply, starting from the outer ends of your eye, going into the inner corners of your eye. Pretty easy and simple, no glue needed. So pretty, I love them.